For almost 3 decades since the economic reforms in the year 1991 with its new economic policy, India was predominantly a cash-oriented society. But of late, there has been a surge in digital transactions. Today, a vast majority of urban transactions are done using credit cards for various purposes. The reason being its easy to use nature. With PIN, swipe and now tap technology, we can purchase an era of things at our own convenience. Irrespective of the financial nature of each individual, right from being a business person or a salaried professional or a student applying for an international university, people of all age groups choose to pay with a credit card as it comes with a number of rewards. Yet even after these benefits, the transactions when compared in national scale, considering its magnitude, the final user base of people who use credit cards in India is very small. It's maybe because they are not aware of the magnitude of benefits offered by credit cards. Now, when buying a credit card, it's very much important that you choose the card that best suits your requirements. Whether you want to fulfill your love for travel, you want to shop, you want to pay your bills and dine across the country, whatever, choose the card that best suits your requirements. With the right choice, you can also save money on your transactions as well. Now, when you're ready to get your first credit card, there might be a lot of questions that might worry you, such as which are the right or the best credit cards to keep? How do you apply? How do you increase or you improve your credit score with a credit card, etc. Well, the truth to be told, there is no single credit card that is best suited for all. Choosing the best card or the best credit card depends on a number of factors, including whether you're just starting your credit journey, whether you already have a credit history and other such attributes. Well, regardless of which category you are in, your goal should be the same, which is to find the first best credit card for your unique needs and financial standing that will help you to establish good credit card habits from the very beginning of your journey. Before you choose a card, first identify where you would like to use that particular card the most. Then you can consider or select the card that offers the most benefit in that particular area. Let's just understand this with an example. Let's say if you shop a lot, then you can go for a credit card that offers maximum points for shopping. Now, if you are a person who travels a lot, then you can try and get the card that offers most points for booking tickets and allows lounge access. Now, to help you find the best credit card for your requirements, we have put together a list of some of the best cards in India. In that, the very first one is Citibank Cashback Credit Card. This credit card provides attractive discounts to the users by giving the cashback and discounts on every transaction that you do. It is handy for salaried individuals as it helps to save a lot of money. To talk about the benefit it offers, you can make payments up to 2,000 without having to put or enter any kind of PIN number. Next, you get 5% cashback when you book movie tickets and pay for, say, utility bills such as your telephone bills, etc. Then you also get 0.5% cashback on all the other transactions. You also get 15% off on dining at the partner restaurants. What more do you need apart from this? The next best card is the Standard Chartered Platinum Rewards Card. Well, this is the best suited card for salaried individuals, both whether you're working in a private company or a government company. And there is no annual fees or joining fees if you apply for this card. It is an overall credit card with all the benefits possible and even best for those individuals who have applied for the very first time. Well, to talk about the plethora of benefits that it offers, the very first one is if you do a transaction, let's say within 60 days, then you receive 1,000 reward points. Next, you also get 5 times the reward points on spending rupees 150 on fuel and dining. Next, you also enjoy 20% cashback on Uber rides. Well, you also get a number of other discounts and there is an offer across shopping, dining, travel and much more. Well, your next best bet is the American Express Membership Rewards Credit Card. The Membership Rewards Credit Card is the perfect example of why the American Express cards are the most sought after. It has an annual fee of rupees 1,000. It also has the renewal fee of rupees 4,500, which can be waived if you spend more than rupees 1.5 lakhs. You also get 4,000 bonus membership reward points as a welcome gift. You also get 1,000 bonus membership reward points on making 4 transactions of rupees 1,000 or more every month. Then you also get 1 reward point for every rupees 50 spent, with the exception of payment towards fuel, utilities, cash advance and the insurance. You also get 20% off for dining at partner restaurants, and lastly, you get 5,000 reward points upon renewing the card for the second year. While the next best bet for those who are buying the credit card for the very first time is the Axis Bank Insta Credit Card. The best part about this card is that you can avail this card even if you have the poor credit rating. All you need is just that you need to have a fixed deposit account with that bank. And it is also very easy to get this card. Now to talk about the benefits it offers, well, you can earn a reward point of 100 with every online transaction. While you also get a waiver of 2.5% for fuel related transactions if it is in the range of rupees 400 to rupees 4000. And once you have gained a number of points, then you can later redeem it in the form of gifts. The next best credit card you can have is the HDFC Regalia credit card. If you are someone who just spends in all the areas and you would like to be rewarded for all the spendings that you have done, then the HDFC Regalia credit card is just what you need. It has an annual fee and the reward fee of rupees 2,500. The renewal fee can be waived off if you spend more than rupees 3 lakh in a year. You also get 2,500 reward points when you join and when you pay the renewal fee every year. You also get 12 complimentary lounge access. What's more, you also get 4 reward points on every rupees 150 spent. You get air accidental death cover and emergency overseas hospitalization cover. And lastly, you have multiple ways to redeem your reward points. While the next best card I'm going to talk about is the HDFC Bank Diners Club Rewards card. If you travel abroad quite often, then the HDFC Bank Diners Club Rewards card is just perfect for you. What it offers? Well, it has an annual fee of rupees 1,000. The fee is waived off if you spend more than rupees 1 lakh on the card. Well, what you also get is you get 3 reward points on every rupees 150 spent on the retail. You get 10 times the reward points on international spends. You get airport lounge access, and lastly, you can also use the reward points to book your flight tickets. So what's more, if you're a travel freak, then go in for this card. Well, the next card is the SimplyClick SBI card. The rewards program of SBI SimplyClick is designed around online purchases with extra benefits on shopping with their exclusive partner brands. Though its basic reward rate of 1% stands lower than the money back card, 5% rewards across all online shopping is clearly a better deal to count on, as it is one of the best shopping credit card in India that you can get. Well, to talk about the rewards that you get on this is the Amazon gift card you get, which is worth rupees 500 as a joining benefit. The e-voucher worth rupees 2,000 each on reaching annual spend of rupees 1 lakh to rupees 2 lakh. Then you also get 1 reward point for every rupees 100 spent on the card. Next, what more you get is you can accelerate your reward 5 times when shopping online. You get 10 times more rewards when shopping online with the partner brands such as the Book My Show, Amazon, Food Panda and Lenskart, etc. And lastly, you also get to, if you're spending say rupees 1 lakh in a year, then you get an annual fee reserved. Well, the last card I'm going to talk about is the Amazon Pay ICICI credit card. Amazon Pay ICICI card was among the first cards launched with the major e-commerce brand. Though the card's universal cashback rate is comparatively low at just 1%, it still offers good value back for Amazon loyalists, especially the Prime customers. Since Amazon Pay has 100 plus merchants listed on it, the 2% cashback is also quite a decent deal. However, let me remind you that the cashback is not credited to your Amazon Pay balance and not to your card account, restricting the usage only through the platform. Now to talk about the benefits you get is you get 5% cashback on Amazon purchase for Prime customers. You get 3% cashback on Amazon purchase for non-Prime customers. You get 2% cashback on 100 plus partner merchants when using Amazon Pay as payment method and using the card. You get 1% cashback on all the other expenses. And lastly, you also get 1% fuel surcharge waived at all fuel stations. So these were some of the best credit cards that you can buy if you are a first-time credit card buyers. Credit cards are perhaps one of the most utilized financial tools in the world today. These cards are similar to loans and can be availed with a swipe of the card. And did you know what? A credit card is a great way to build and maintain your credit score. If you use it judiciously, it can also become your best friend, and it can also help you to manage your finances well. All you need to know is how you can leverage your credit cards. While talking about credit cards and credit scores, let me tell you that we have built an exclusive course on credit score for all those who have just entered the world of finance. So hurry up and download our Freedom app and get access and immense knowledge on credit cards and credit scores. Well, wait. Also, before going, do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to our channel for more such financial content, and do not forget to hit on the bell icon to get notified for our next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com. Get wise and break free.